Today we are making Dr. Goldner's Hyper-Nourishing green smoothie that helped her cure her lupus for the last 20 years. My name is Aliana and welcome to my kitchen. I am doing a smaller ratio of her ingredients just so that it will fit in my blender because she calls for 1 pound of greens. So I'm going to be using about half a pound. And I am using organic girl greens, and I actually got it on sale, which I'm happy about. So the first thing you want to do is really push your greens into your blender. You want this packed with your greens and have it be 75% of your leafy greens. You can use kale or spinach. This is a blend of half spinach and then half just spring mix. So it's whatever you can really find at your store. And this is a great smoothie to have if you're on the go a lot and you're not getting a ton of raw vegetables in your day, because this will give you so many nutrients. So now I've almost used up all of my greens and I've really packed this down. So now the remainder of our smoothie will be our fruit. Dr. Goldner uses mango, banana, as well as some pineapple, but you can really use any fruit that you like. So I'm just adding in a handful of blackberries, along with half a banana. This also adds a lot of the sweetness to our drink because we are having a lot of greens, so you want something sweet to just cut through it. As well as 1 cutie orange. So we have our orange going in. I'm really just gonna pack all this in there. And because I have my beautiful kumquat tree behind me, I'm gonna grab a kumquat. You know what? I'm going to be adding 2 kumquats as well. These are really tart, so I personally love them. Next, you really want to add in your omega-3 to your drink. This is great for your metabolism. And so I like to add a heaping tablespoon. This is a sprouted chia and flaxseed powder. You can also use chia oil, but it's a little bit more pricey, so this is more cost effective. And I like to add just a heaping tablespoon. And then the next thing you're going to do is add your water. We notoriously are not drinking enough water every day, so this is a great way to just get a little bit more water in. And I like to fill it up to the level of the greens. If you like a thicker smoothie, you can always add less. If you like it thinner, you can add more. I personally don't like adding too much water because I like a thicker smoothie. If you want to see some more of Dr. Goldner's recipes, I will put a link below this video. And now it's time to blend our smoothie together. And I will say, if you don't have a super strong blender, you do want to blend this for a while because no one likes a chunky smoothie. So I've let this blend for a good minute. And this is a darker color green just because I added the blackberries to it. And this is pretty much a single serving of this drink. But you can always have it for breakfast and dinner if you want to make it twice. It is so healthy for you, and I like it because it's a little thick. So now it's time to taste it. I will say this is surprisingly good for how many greens are packed into it because the fruit cuts through any bitterness. And I also love the taste of flaxseed and chia seed in it. I think it adds a nice nuttiness almost. So if you want something really healthy to start your day and you're craving something green, then you should definitely try Dr. Goldner's green smoothie. But if you do like a bit of a sweeter smoothie with more fruit, I have over 50 smoothie recipes on my page, and there should be a playlist right here or over here so you can check them all out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!